In this tutorial I'm gonna teach you quickly how to make a bouncy text animation. You can find the project file in the description. Making a new tutorial for each day of the year, day 15 of 365. We have our text here, so open the text, go here in animate and select position. Now that we have this here, go to add, select selector and select expression. Now open expression selector, open here in amounts, and here we can paste the expression. I will leave you the expression in the link in the description so you can copy from here. Go again to After Effects, click here where is the text and paste the expression. Click outside the box and as you see, nothing happens. So that's because we have to offset the position first. So this is the original position and we have to offset moving this down, up, to the sides, wherever you want. I'm going to move it down and if you hit play you will see the animation. Okay, so I will explain you quickly how can you change the parameters of this animation. So click here in the box, scroll down and you will see this, the frequency, the amplitude and the decay. So the frequency is how fast it will bounce. So now we will see how it bounces. Okay, there you can see. If we change the frequency, I don't know, to something like 10, it will bounce faster. So let's hit play. And there you see it's faster now. Try to keep this down to something like 3 or like that. The amplitude is the amount of motion that have the bounce. First let's see how it bounces. And now let's increase the amplitude. Increase the amplitude to something like 800, let's see. Now it will have a longer motion. So let's bring back this to 200. And finally, the decay. The decay is the time it takes to stop the motion. So now it's to 10, and if we bring this down to 1, you will see that it takes longer to stop moving. There you can see it. Basically that are the parameters that you can change here. I'm going to leave it how it was before. I really like this motion. Now to make it fade in, we will add a opacity. So go here in add, select property and select here opacity. Now the original opacity is to 100. We will bring down this to 0. And now the opacity will go from 0 to 100 for each character. And there you have it. It's a really easy, really quick animation. And you can enable here the motion blur to make it look cooler. And yeah, there you have it. You can find the project file in the description if you have any problems. That's all for today's tutorial. So I'll see you in the next tutorial. See ya.